No way, right?
Hello. Okay, our group members are Mit- Mituta, Nayelin, Wimicho, and Sanitun. Our group project is a mobile banking system developed using Java programming language. It aims to provide a secure and efficient banking experience to customers. The system includes features such as account management, transaction processing, and top-up mobile system. The mobile banking system is built using object-oriented programming concepts, classes, inheritance, try-catch, input-output, and collections. Customer can easily manage their accounts, view transaction history, make transitions through the mobile app, and top up their phone. Overall, our mobile banking system developed using Java programming language provides a modern and secure banking experience that meets the needs of customers in today's digital age.
Okay, I will talk about the how system work. Okay, firstly, if you run, it's okay, it's got okay. Actually, I have two methods, login method and sign in methods. I run this program when you sign as when you want to log in your account. Yeah, so you can firstly let's try and sign us. Okay, sign up. You need to enter your name. Okay, I will enter. Okay, phone number is right. Okay, here is the ID that is randomly created. Just use the ID. Then, and then here is the password. Your password is the last four digit of your phone number. So you need to enter it. Don't worry, you can change it in the system. So yes, long successful. Welcome to Bangalore Lamduan. Okay, firstly you can do a deposit, transfer, top app, transaction history. But firstly you need to deposit your account because you don't have any money in your account. Uh, if you trying to transfer, this will show an error like this. Your balance is zero. Please deposit first. So you need to deposit first, right? Right. Okay, I will deposit more. 5,000 and now. Okay, for dormitory. Okay. Okay, here you can confirm or cancel. Okay, I will type confirm. Okay, here is the transaction history. Okay, now you can look at your transaction history in the transaction history. Okay, and then I will transfer. I will try to transfer it. True. Okay, I need to transfer. Yeah, and then more transfer. Okay, I will transfer one transfer. Note for 1 minute fee. Okay, you need to type your password. Trying to remember it. Your password is the last four digits of your phone number, 8487. 8487. If you wrong is 8481, you will get error. So here, okay, you also need to confirm our captcha. I will confirm it. So here is the result. Okay, let's talk at your phone number 3 0945. Okay, I'm gonna draw. I will target 200. For okay, and I use this one 8487. Okay, confirm. Okay, let's look at the transaction history for. Okay, here is the three transaction history that you did. This is deposit, this is transfer, this is token. And in a setting, you can look at your account profile, and you also need to change your password. If you want to show profile, here is your profile name with data. This is your account ID, and this is phone number. This is password. That can be seen. This is your balance, and then you can change your password to okay. Set your password. I will do 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay, your password already. If you want to test, you can transfer to 200. Enter your amount to transfer. Oh, sorry, I round amount to into the ID, so I can do is in the next 200. Another password. Away 1 2. Now I'm around 84. 87. Yeah, we're getting it. So I need to type 1 2 3 4. Then yeah, I only type 200. So I can set this transaction by 2. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Process our question system. Yes, terminate. Okay. This already saved in our user.info. You can see that here. This is the last history that you enter. Okay, if you want to log in that account again, you can. Okay, here you can just choose one login account, and the account ID you just copy this ID, and then enter. Your password is 1 2 3 4, right? Okay, here is 1 2 3 4. If you type long password 8487, you can get an error. Okay, you can look at your transaction. Okay, well, yeah, this is the transaction that you did last account. So you also need to do anything you want in like I do in the previous one. Yeah, that's all. That's all for showing. Yeah, it's already. Now I will show how I set up the code. Okay. Firstly, like you see in the outpost, here is the login account and sign account. You also need to, you just need to switch that into. If you choose one, you just need login account, sign account, like this. This is for iteration. If you don't choose one, two, okay. Firstly, I will talk about sign account. So it is work for me. And then okay, here is sign account. If you need to sign your account, firstly, you need to type your name and your phone number. Okay, like let's type your name, your phone number, and then you need to create a user. Okay, in the user class. Okay, you already create new user with ID is created. Now I will get a user ID that is randomly created. So I will user.get user ID. Okay, here is the user. But I extend it from the account. So is it in the account? That in the account class. Let's see. Random user ID. Here is the random user ID. Destroy user ID. So how I create is that I only want 6 numbers, so I just need to iteration 6 times, and then I need to guess into integers. So guess, and I got the method by here public.get.user ID. Okay, here is the your password is the last four digit or your phone number. How I do is I don't want to show the password to the users. I just want to digest password, so I use for the password. I also digest message digest, and then if I use like this, it will show password into this form. This is the digest password user. So okay, and camera to me. Okay, this is for the main menu prompt. Okay, let's see main menu prompt. The menu prompt is that just first you already sign as and you need to enter your account. So you need to add your account and user ID. So user ID is the one that's created randomly. So it will show in the output. So don't worry about that. And then you need to type your PIN. This is the last four digit of your phone number. So you type wrong. If you type wrong, you will get wrong ID is password. So you need to try again from the first. Okay. If you are successful, you will get login successful and you will show the another result. Okay. Here how I do is I use user login method in the user class. Okay, let's see user login. Okay, here. Okay, I just compare the user ID with user and the user ID that already have, and also the password just like this. Also, you need to compare user ID, and then you need to validate your password. Okay, how I validate password is here. Okay, password is okay. The password I show here is has encrypted password. So I also need to if you want to compare, I also need to encrypt password to the password you impose. So here how I do is okay. You also need to input your PIN into the encrypted password method. So and then you will compare your password, and if they are true, they will return and true, and they will return false. Okay, that's okay. After that, here is the print user menu. Print user menu, you can see, you will show what kind of feature that you can do in your mobile system. This is first deposit, then transfer, then forecast, transaction history, setting, and then exist. Right. Okay. This is okay. I will try firstly deposit, right? Okay, when you deposit money to your account, you just need to you don't need to write your ID, right? You just need amount and memory, right? So this is the amount and memory. I don't know any ID. So firstly, you also need to enter your deposit amount. Best your deposit amount can be greater than less than zero. So I just got this, and then this is for enter no. And that date now because I just want the current date time, so I do is this format. Here is this. Yeah, here this look at date time. I just want this kind of format. So okay, then okay. Firstly, I also want to do the user to confirm or cancel. Okay, confirm or cancel. Okay, if you want, your transaction already confirmed. If you cancel, just return like this. Okay, here you will choose confirm and your transaction history add to that transaction in the user account user class. Okay, let's see. User.add transaction, get your username. Okay, let's see in the user.add transaction right here. Okay, here. Okay, you just create a new user object here, and the one that's parameter is here, ID, amount, memory, days now, and then you just push into array. That's transaction. This transaction is here. Array list transaction. You already stored there. Okay, this is for add transaction, and then show transaction. This is also simple. Okay, you just need to you just want to show the user output, show the history. So this is the history, right? What was it? Right. Yes, this. I love it. Yeah, this is for deposit, and then also transfer. Transfer, in the transfer you need uh, ID that you want to transfer. So this is account ID, right? And then this is the same with the deposit. So firstly, you also need to write. You also want to show the current balance in your account. So I just type the current balance. So open I actually is it. And then this is account ID transfer. This is how I use triangle is because I just one number formalization because account ID must be number, so it can be any string. So and then I just is into cast into string. Okay, this is live deposit. Your amount can be less than 0 or can be greater than account balance. I just enter. You also need to enter. No, this is the date time. Look at the current date time. Yes, this is enter password. Here you can if you enter password, if your password is correct, you will get this process, and if no, okay, you will write wrong. That's why and try again, and you will start it again. Okay, if your password is correct, I will show the user check your in the information, and then confirm or cancel. Okay, this is like deposit. The only one is this minus amount because transfer amount is transfer from your account balance, so it's minus. And then top. Okay, in the top like this, you just need a phone number instead of account transfer account ID. This is alright. Also with the transfer methods. Okay, this. Okay, so I'm not about to go ahead. This is also right. Okay, then this is also date time. This is exactly the same with the transfer account. Actually, want to. Okay. Lastly, the transaction history. Right. Transaction history is I just need to I just need to output from the array list, the transaction array list. So all I do is here. Okay, here show transaction history. If site bar greater than site is greater than 0, you will get the result. If site is not greater than 0, you will get no transaction history. So if your account transaction size is 0, greater than 0, you need to how can I say iterate is this is for loop, right? And then we will output this kind of output, and then setting. In the setting, I how can I say I give a chance to the user show profile and shaping. If you want to change show profile, here is the show profile method. Name, account ID, phone number, PIN, balance. Okay, the then change password. Change password is also different purpose. You need to write your password, new password, and then you will change your password. Here user dot change password, confirm password. Let's see how I do it here. Wait, sorry. here. Okay, I just only this dot have password equal uncreated password dot pass. This is change password. It's not that difficult, right? Okay. Okay, that's all. And then I want to log in that information. I want to get that information when I trying to log in. So I try to say I'm trying to enable all the information to the file. First buffer writer here is it. This is buffer reader, right? Buffer writer, and then I try to put all the information from this account. Here is the result. Here is the, and then I'm trying to read the information when I'm trying to log in. Here is the login information. Okay, here I lost an account. Finally, you need to do is you need to read all the information, and then you just put into the into some array list or some class. Here how I do is I read all the information. Okay, one line stop after info. Okay, I know how I post, so I just need to use the ID is in the 0. User has been is in the 1. User name is in the 2. So I know the data I don't know is about transaction history. I don't know how transaction history input in that. When I say this file, so I just need to do is iteration with for loop. So and then I just and then I also store all the information from the user info into the user info account. This is for to read the information from the file. Yeah, I will store the information here and okay. Okay, then I store that user info into the array list. Here is the first array list. Okay, then if you want to log in your account, firstly you need to type account ID and then account PIN. So I will try is you need to get all the information from the array list. So this is array list and then source side -1 into music. I just want to the upgrade version, so I just start from the last. So here how I do it is other information side -1. So the iteration where we start from the last. So our guess compared to the user ID, and then our guess compared to the password. Yeah, it does. And then if the password is true, your business life you need to post your password. You just create the new user account with that information. Okay, this is set password, correct password. So this is the same with. This is not different, right? This is for the mobile to pre-examining. Because of the method, you can create all the you can do all the methods. Okay, the data I forgot today is when you try to here when you try to transfer in the real you just need to input your ID. You don't need to write your name, right? So I don't have any information, so I just create random name and then I just call it random name. Here is called random name methods. So I think that's all. Here is the information that you want is firstly class, this is class, and then user input, user output, and this is clear, and then try and guess. Okay, wait. Yeah, here is try and guess method. And the release, here is really method. Collection, here's collection, right? And then inheritance. Okay, here is inheritance account. Yes, that's all for today. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for watching. This is our crew project.